Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Rachel, and you're watching Rachel's TV. Today's video is all about creating a new space for myself. So let's go. Ever since I was a kid, I had a dream of creating a own space for myself, buying a house and decorating it by myself. So here I am with a video. I am so happy to share that I have accomplished one of my bucket lists, that is buying a home. So here is a video of how we transformed a house to a home. This is the hall wherein we are planning to accommodate a washroom and also create space for a kitchen, as this house has only one washroom available. This is the kitchen where we are planning to change it as a hall because it is little spacious compared to the old hall. We're not going to change the bedrooms because they are pretty good and spacious. We just want to change the door frames and the doors. We started the renovation work on March 5th, and here is the raw material. We are planning to change the flooring for all the rooms. We broke down the wall from the kitchen for the main door. We are not professionals and there is no professional intervention in this renovation work. So this is a small drawing which we drew for the maestries to understand. This is the flooring tile which we selected, and this is for the washroom. All of the materials are handpicked by me. For the kitchen we selected this tile. The door frames are fixed. Plastering for the walls is started. Washroom is done and the kitchen is also built. Electrician has come and given the sockets for all the rooms. Finally, the tiles work has started. The washroom is completed. So this is the tiles which we selected. We selected black marble for the countertop for the kitchen. Painting work is also started. So this is how the flooring looks after the tiles. I just love the kitchen tiles. It looks so beautiful. Now the work came down to the carpentry. We've gone to the hardware shop and selected the plywood. This is a decorum which we selected for the loft, and this is for the kitchen shelves, steel trays, baskets for the kitchen. Bolts for the main door. Doors have arrived and the carpenter is fitting them. All of the doors are teak wood, and here's the kitchen. The decorum looks beautiful. Fall ceiling work is also completed. We have selected a simple design. Picked up the electricals from the electrical shop, Crompton fans, paint. Here's the final reveal. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is Rachel signing off. See you all in my next video.